Every time you start your PC, Windows shows an error saying Windows cannot find this file. After a Windows update, your desktop freezes, icons stop responding, and nothing works. Here's the truth. This issue is not random. It is not a virus. And it will not fix itself. If you ignore it, Windows will slowly break more features. So watch this video till the end, because I will fix the root cause, not just hide the error. Step 1. Confirm it is not malware. Before fixing anything, let's confirm safety. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to Processes. If you do not see the program mentioned in the error actually running, that means the file is missing. Windows is calling a ghost startup entry. This is not malware. Now move on. Step 2. Disable broken startup entry. Right-click Start, click Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. Look for WordPal, Unknown App, Blank Name, App with no publisher. Right-click it, Disable. This prevents Windows from loading the missing file. But this is only temporary unless we remove it completely. Step 3. Clean user startup folders. Press Windows plus R. Type Shell Startup. Press Enter. Delete any shortcut related to the error. Now again press Windows plus R. Type Shell Common Startup. Press Enter. Delete broken shortcuts here as well. These folders load programs before the desktop appears, which causes freezing. Step 4. Fix task scheduler triggers. Many Windows errors come from hidden scheduled tasks. Press Windows plus R. Type tasks.msc. Press Enter. Click Task Scheduler Library. Look for tasks with no icon, tasks pointing to missing files, tasks mentioning WordPal or unknown apps. Right-click Disable. Only delete if the path clearly shows a missing file. This step alone fixes errors that survive restarts. Remove registry startup calls. Press Windows plus R. Type regedit. Press Enter. Go to hay_current_user. Software. Microsoft. Windows. Current version. Run. Delete entries pointing to missing files. Now go to hay_local_machine. Software. Microsoft. Windows. Current version. Run. Delete the same broken entry if found. This permanently stops Windows from calling deleted programs. Step 6. Check Microsoft Store app corruption. Because this error comes from the apps folder, the Microsoft Store may be broken. Press Windows plus R. Type Sreset. Press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reset automatically. Now restart your PC. Step 7. Fix Windows Update Services. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. Find and configure these services. Windows Update. Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Cryptographic Services. App Readiness. Startup Type Automatic. Click Start. Apply OK. App Readiness is critical for fixing desktop freeze after updates. Step 8. Reset Windows Update Cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run one by one. netstop wazrv. netstop bits. netstop crwiptsvc. Go to c:\windows\softtwa redistribution. Delete all files inside. Now run netstart wazrv. netstart bits. netstart crwiptsvc. Restart your PC. Step 9. Repair system image. This fixes deep Windows corruption. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait until it reaches 100%. Then run sfc/scannow. Restart after completion. Step 10. Check boot configuration. Press Windows plus R. Type nsconfig. Go to Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Disable unknown third-party services. Go to Startup, open Task Manager. Disable unnecessary apps. Restart PC. This ensures nothing broken loads during boot. Step 11. Create a clean restore point. Once fixed, search Create a restore point. Click Create. This protects your system from future update damage. Windows updates sometimes. Remove old app files. Break store apps. Leave startup references behind. Corrupt update cache. That's why the error appears after updates, not before. If this guide saved your PC, like the video so others find it. Subscribe for real Windows fixes, not copy-paste solutions. And comment below. Did the error appear after a Windows update or randomly? I reply to every real comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fix.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll